उस समय भी मैंने कहा था कि अविश्वास प्रस्ताव हमारी सरकार का फ्लोर टेस्ट नहीं है।
ये सभा मंत्री परिषद में विश्वास का अभाव प्रकट करती है। श्री गोगोई कृपया सदन की अनुमति प्राप्त करें।
अध्यक्ष जी, लाए गए अविश्वास प्रस्ताव के समर्थन में बोलने खड़ा हूँ।
मैं सभी दलों के नेताओं से चर्चा कर और नियमों के तहत उचित समय पे चर्चा करने की तिथि से आप सबको अवगत करा दूंगा।
Sir, that and all is ready, sir. 50 members, everybody supporting, all is okay.
जाके अपनी सीट पे बैठो, मैं आपका मौका दूंगा। आप सीट पे नहीं गए, जाइए, सदन में बोलने का मौका दे रहा हूं मैं।
Wondering what's going on here? See, the Lok Sabha has just decided to hold a discussion on motion of no confidence expressed by one of the members. Motion of no confidence, right? Yes, I'll explain. See, the government must have the majority of support to demonstrate its strength in the House.
अध्यक्ष जी, लाए गए अविश्वास प्रस्ताव के समर्थन में बोलने खड़ा हूँ।
If any member moves no confidence motion with regards to any decisions taken by the running government, and if it gets approved by the speaker, then the running government will have to prove its strength by defeating no confidence motion.
Have you submitted the written notice for this? Sir, 10 o'clock today morning only over, sir.
So, the member must submit written notice by 10 a.m. on any day of the sitting.
Do we have a majority? 50 members are supporting or no? What happened?
If the motion has to be approved, then it must have at least 50 members supporting for the motion. And if it has a majority, then the speaker will approve and finalize a date to hold a discussion. And this date has to be allotted within the 10 days of the notice. Well, today is the discussion. Let's see how it goes and what happens.
ये अविश्वास प्रस्ताव एक प्रकार से हमारे लोकतंत्र की एक महत्वपूर्ण शक्ति का परिचायक है।
Wow, that was some debate. What happens now is the speaker will hold a voting session in the Lok Sabha, wherein the members will vote whether the motion of no confidence is to be passed or not. If the no confidence motion is voted majority, then the motion is passed and the government must resign. If the government is able to prove its majority against the motion, then the motion gets rejected and the government remains in power and continue its proceeding as before. The main aim of bringing in a motion of no confidence is not to simply topple or bring down the government, but to even ask the government to raise their voice and asking them not to be ignorant towards any important issues in the country.